This is a bidet, portable bidet. It's not part of the toilet. It's an extension hose. So it is attached to my toilet through that pipe or whatever you want to call it there. It's a long hose. It has a nozzle on it and it's a sprayer. So I'll just give you an example. Here's the sprayer and has very good power, and I love it. It definitely comes in handy for those moments when you don't have time to get into the shower, but you want to feel a little bit cleaner. Of course, this is only cold water. I get used to it, and it's just that initial kind of like burst, the first burst that comes out is like, oh, and then after that, it's great. I just feel a lot cleaner there for those moments when you need that extra, you know, even with intimate relations, you just come in here and you can just like have a quick burst of water to the intimate area, and I love it. I'd love to have one of those expensive toilets. They cost about $2,000, the Toto, but obviously it's not in my budget, so this is the best option, and it works, and it's great, and I use it all the time.